Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a pin to your favorites. Now, whether you're on your home page or you're on your explore section of Pinterest, wherever you find a pin that you want to add to your favorites, you can always add it with ease, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on home and take something from here. So let's take, for example, this burger here, looking really nice. The first thing you want to do is to ensure that you add the pin to a specific board or profile. On the left hand side and the upper left hand side of profile, if you click this drop down, you can choose a board and then click on save. Alternatively, you can click on the pin itself and then you can choose it from here by selecting the correct board that you want and click on save. So if you realize you're not able to really add it to favorites before, and even after you save the pin to a specific board, you're not able to add it to favorites just yet. The best way to do this is to go to your boards now and find that specific pin, and once you find that pin within that board, you can just click on the pin and you can add it to your favorites. So now if I scroll down, I now have a section that says add to favorites, and I can click that, add to favorites, and that's how you do it. Now, how do you find your favorites? Click your profile again, then go to pin on the upper left hand side, and here you have it shows created by you or favorites. If you click on the favorites, it's going to show you what you have in your favorites. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. At any point in time you want to remove pins from your favorites, it is as easy as clicking on that pin and scroll down and just uncheck this favorites button, and that's it. It will be removed once you uncheck it and it look like that. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.